Hey everyone, it's Stephanie from Chosen Weeds Farm. I hope you're doing well today. Today I am coming to you to talk to you about creating your own fertilizer for free. Yes, free. Who can get behind free? Me. And this is used from stuff that you have in your backyard. And I'm going to warn you, it smells really bad. And but it works beautifully. So we're going to talk about that. But before I get into that, I want to make sure that if you like these videos, that you hit the subscribe button so that you get these videos each time I put one out. And also make sure you're on my email list. That way you're going to get videos before anybody else. You're going to get blog posts before anybody else. You go to www.thechosenweeds.com and you sign up and you're going to get a free download. And I will put that in the description box below. But let's get started and learn how to make your own free fertilizer right from materials in your backyard. Now, I did not come up with this myself, okay, you guys? This has been around for eons, ages, and it's just something I learned and I use about every 2 weeks. And so we're gonna come over here. And I'm gonna open this bucket. It looks kind of gross, and believe me, it doesn't smell very good. But this stuff is great. And what I've done is I've just weeded around my yard, and I've stuck everything into this bucket, and I filled this bucket with water, and I've let it set. You're gonna want to let it set for at least 2 weeks. But the longer you let it go, the better it is. And I like to use this on my plants about every 2 weeks. And this isn't really a nitrogen fertilizer. This is full of minerals and micronutrients that are actually pulled up as a weed grows. It's pulled up by the weeds and stored in the leaves. And you are accessing all of that goodness by soaking those leaves and those roots in this water. So it again, just like that, and it smells, oh gosh, if we had smell-o-vision, you would know how bad this smells. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take a bucket, another bucket, and I'm going to put some rainwater in that bucket. If you don't have rainwater, you can just use your well water or your city water or whatever you have. And I'm going to dilute this fertilizer to, it looks like about a weak tea. And I'm going to pour it onto my plants. Now you can also spray it. If you have a spray bottle or a squirt bottle or something like that, you can spray it on the leaves of the plants, which is a good thing to do because the leaves are kind of like your skin, and it's going to, soak up those nutrients right from the leaves as well. So I've added the fertilizer to the rainwater of bucket. So here's the fertilizer, and you can see I didn't use very much, and you put it in the 5-gallon bucket, and that's what I'm going to use to fertilize all of my plants. This 5-gallon bucket will pretty much get me through all of my plants this first time. And like I said, I do this about every 2 weeks or so. And it's also really good to do it after you have a really heavy rain. Let's say you get like 3 or 4 inches of rain all at once, and what happens is a lot of times those minerals and things leach out of the soil, and you need to add that back in to your soil, and this is a great way to do that. So last week, I think it was Thursday or Friday of last week, we had a lot of rain all at once, and so now I am adding all of those nutrients back into the soil. So I'm going to do that. That's what I'm going to do next. And if you like videos like this and you want more of them, make sure that, like I said, that you hit the like button so you get notifications of when these videos come up, and make sure you are signed up for my email list at www.thechosenweeds.com, and you'll get those in your email box too. So I hope this helps you guys out so that you're not feeling like you have to go out and buy fertilizer. Heck, if I can create my own stuff for free with things right in my backyard, I am going to figure out a way to do it, and that help my plants thrive. In fact, let me just show you some of the plants right now that I've been using. These are 8-ball squashes, and some vining squashes. All that I've used with, and I've used it on the tomatoes, the peppers, everything. I use it on everything. So hope this helps, and I will see you guys later. Bye.